Solitaire? How to play. This game is a one-player card game. The objective of the game is to arrange each suit in a pile. Shuffle a full 52 card deck with no jokers. The setup is as follows. Place one card on the far left face up. Then place 6 cards face down alongside each other. Now, place one card face up on the next pile, and then 5 face down, and so on, until the last deck contains 7 cards, including the face up one. Once set up, you may start joining cards into rows. A row must consist of a black card followed by a red card and continue the pattern. It must also increase or decrease in value, king being the highest and ace being the lowest. However, when you stumble upon an ace, place it above the 7 decks. If a face-up card is removed, showing a face-down card, flip it immediately. You may pick up an entire row and join it with another, so long as the card orders do not change. The king is the only card that you may place in an empty space. Once you have finished moving the setup, you may draw a card and place it face down beside the deck. You may keep drawing until you can make a move. However, only the top card of the discard pile may be played. Only the original 7 spaces are available to place a card, so kings may not add an 8th row. If you run out of the draw pile, simply flip the discard pile without shuffling it and draw a new card. You may start to increase the ace piles whenever you want by adding a 2 card according to the suit. The ace piles will keep increasing during the game. If desired, you are allowed to take cards from the ace piles and return them to the rows. If you are ever stuck in the game and you can't find a possible move, you unfortunately lose. However, if you are able to complete all 4 piles above, you have finished the game. You win once you have placed the last king card, and each pile should be in order from lowest to highest. The solo player who manages to sort all the cards in suits from lowest to highest wins. Check out this next video.